Namhlanje we are diving into ama-moving average nokuthi ama-moving average abaluleke ngani. So, the first thing that engifisa ukuthi ngikhulume namhlanje is about the fact that ama-moving average mostly they are used kwi-forex and iwona asetshenziswa kakhulu. Okay guys, let me have a highlights la ukuze ngizokwazi ukuhighlighta kahle. Okay. Ake ngenze ured uba ngcono. Sila. That is the first thing that engifisa ukuthi sikhulume ngayo ukuthi ama moving average iwona asetshenziswa kakhulu. That is the first thing ebalulekile. Secondly, which is this part. Secondly, ama beginners amaningi awasebenzisa ngendlela engekho right, like abanalo ulwazi lokuthi asetshenziswa kanjani. Yabo, so leyo nto yenza ukuthi umuntu abe ne confusion, angayi-understand, which is this part, anga-understand ukuthi asetshenziswa kanjani. And when they are understood, then i-charts lakho liba clear in terms of how to read them. Yabo, so the first thing would be ukuzibuza ukuthi iyini i-average, i-moving average, iyini i-average or moving average should I say, bayibiza in abbreviation i-MA. So kahle kahle ilona i-moving average iwu-line based on kuma previous prices, meaning based on kuma past prices, ama price lawa asuke vele bekade yenzekile previously ngalesikhathi i-market imove. Lama prices lawa atshengisa indlela i-price ebihamba ngayo over isikhathi or ngaleso sikhathi, mhlambe let's say from January to January 1 to January 31, izokutshengisa leyo period ukuthi i-price ibimuva kanjani ngaleso sikhathi. And iyenza ukuthi kube lula, yabo, for ukuthi ukwazi ukuyi-gauge i-market nawe uyibone ukuthi oh okay, kahle kahle ilona i-momentum mhlawumbe u-USD JPY or GBP USD ibinyuka, like it was going upward or it was going downward. Yabo, uba ne-clarity elula. Yabo, i-moving average ikutshengisa ukuthi i-price ibikephi before. Yabo, average wise, you understand. So that is basically i-meaning yani ye-moving average. Mase kuba ama-types of moving average. Kuma types of moving average sine moving average ebizwa ngokuthiwa is simple moving average, in abbreviation bayibiza as SMA. Eyokuqala le bayibiza i-simple moving average. Le moving average isuke i-calculate i-average price ngokulingana, meaning evenly, and inani inokuthi inendlela is-slow, indlela e-reacta ngayo, i-reaction yayo is very slow, and i-good ekutheni ikwazi uku-identifya ini ama-trends akuma-long terms. That is what i-SMA is all about. Then mase kuba khona esibili abayibiza ngokuthi exponential moving average. Le in abbreviation bayibiza ngo EMA. Senze highlights la ingakho ngithatha kancane. So yona in terms of indlela e-reacta ngayo kwi-market is a bit faster than i-simple, and isetshenziswa kakhulu by ama-traders. And yona ke into emnandi ngayo ukuthi i-good for ama-entries mawukuthi ufuna ukuthi ufake i-entry or ungena kwi-market, yabo, that is the main thing ngayo. Yabo, then mase simuvela common moving, which is here, common moving what? Average. Now, lento iclear kanje. Angithi ngike ngakhuluma ngani ngama-exponential moving average. So, exponential moving average inama-sectors awu-3, yabo? Kuba khona i-short term trend, kube khona i-medium term trend, mase kuba khona i-long term trend. So, ku-short term kuba u-20 EMA, uyayisetha leya nto, uyayisetha. Mase kuba u-50 EMA u-medium, mase kuba u-200 EMA for i-long term. Yabo? Iyakusiza-ke ekutheni ukwazi ukugeja-ke lo movement le esuke yenzakalile kwi-market. Now for umuntu osaqala-ke uzokwazi kanjani ukwasebenzisa lama moving average, which is here. Number 1, i-price above i-MA it's an uptrend. I-price below MA i-downtrend. Leyo lona-ke ibizwa ngokuthiwa i-trend identification. That's number 1. Number 2, mase kuba khona i-dynamic support and resistance. Yona-ke i-price most of the time i-bounce kuyona i-moving average, yazi? Isebenza njengelo, isebenza njenge-moving average eyi-support ne-resistance, yabo? So kukwena ukuthi uchoose yiphi ukuyisebenzisa. Either wenza i-dynamic or noma wenza i-trend identification. So mase siza kwama-mistake ke ama-beginners ajwayele ukwenza. Number 1, ukusebenzisa ama-moving averages amaningi. You don't do that. Njengoba kade ngishilo previously, at least 1 or 2. You understand? Noku-ignorisha-ke i-structure se-market, like i-structure ngendlela eme ngakhona i-market. Ulandele nje kuphela ukuthi wena hayi ubheka i-moving average. Leyo nto le izokulimaza. Mase uyazibuza ukuthi sorry upon iyiphi time frame oyisebenzisayo, which is ama-time frame a-right owasebenzisayo for ama-moving averages. Njengoba kade ngilibele ngiyi-preacher-ke nkosi yami bazalwane lena. U-daily, u-H4 no-H1 phela, awuyi ku-M1 no-M5 because uzodideka and izongakuhambeli kahle, yabo? Izongakuhambeli kahle. So, and after that you need to avoid. When do you need to avoid ilo moving average? Mawukuthi i-market iya-range, meaning kwi-consolidation or noma ichophile, like mayikuthiwa ichophi price, it's almost the same as ranging, like ime endaweni eyodwa and iscatterishekile, ayibonakali nje ukuthi iyaphi. Noma mhlawumbe makukhona iy'ndaba-ke like ama-fundamental, then-ke hayi ungayisebenzisi-ke lapho, So I hope guys niya-understand-a lento engiyichazile and you are pretty much clear ngalento le njengoba ngiyi-explain. So the last thing would be memorize ukuthi i-moving average isiza ekutheni ubona ama-trend, ungabe uyisebenzisa ama-moving average amaningi, 1 or 2, and please uwacombine ama-moving average nani ne-price action. Ungayenzi i-moving average yodwa engazuthi mhlampe iyi-indicator in a way, yabo? Ungayenzi leyo nto, izokulimaza. So thank you so much guys for listening and subscribe to the channel. Team Forex Moguls back again with another banger next time. Danko.